Hello, today we are making yummy Sable cookies with chocolate squares. First, dust your rolling pin and work surface with flour and roll the Sable dough to 25 x 30 cm rectangle. Check out my recipe on how to make homemade Sable dough. Using a square cookie cutter that you first put in flour, cut the cookies. Then place them in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the cookies in a preheated oven to 180 Celsius degrees, which is 360 Fahrenheit degrees, for around 10 minutes or until they get a light golden color. Then place aside and let cool completely. Melt the chocolate in a bain-marie over boiling water, along with a little bit of vegetable oil. Once the chocolate has melted, place it in square molds and let it cool down completely in the fridge. Then unmold the chocolate pieces. Pour a little bit of melted chocolate in the center of the cookies and place the chocolate squares on top. Look how these cookies are cute. So cute that I don't want to eat them. But they are yummy, so they will go in my tummy. Bon appétit!